it. Winner. Deeper. Liquid. Just make the run. Good post touch by Menezes. And that's by Kwanzaa. And just ball into the post. What now? What a start for Pirates. Top of the world right now. Did well to hold up Kwanzaa. Menezes is ball into the box. I think it was the Arabi who got that last touch. Just a combination of them. This could be a better angle. Does look like it is. I think the Arabi. He is in the lobby of last season. Pirates finished fifth. 45 goals scored as Ureni comes forward. Pirates been arrest. Showing momentum I think has been as the Menezes made himself available. Look at there. Up in the middle of the park now. Villarreal. Stop past the challenge from Madeni. Up past one from McCarthy is Villarreal. Menezes. Just ball into the box. Kwanzaa positions himself. Pirates have won it 3 times in the last 10 seasons. And that only when the shot comes in. Shoes. 10 seasons measured only by Sundowns, who won it 3 times in a row. It's been as he wins it in the middle of the park, pushes forward. Ball in such Pirates and Page about to cut it out. Liquid. Post towards Menezes. This time it's Kwanzaa does what he needs to take advantage of that. Particularly. And his goal separates these two sides. 15 minutes gone. Steve Liquid looking to hit him quite some way out. We know he can strike him. Steve Liquid is standing over this. Looks like he might crack him quite some way out. Steady won't. Gives it to Steve Liquid, who takes shoes out the picture. Shot upfield towards Bissouma. Done well to find Gabessa. It's done well to take Dawu out the picture. So, the ball turned up to his feet. Shoes for show. Good turn by Shoes. It's taken out 3 Pirates players with no turn by Shoes for show. Finds a cut for Bissouma. Chalala once again does episode against Pirates. Just a shot which they are willing to attack here, but they've got some defending to do here. Bissouma. Good save by Shansa. Down gets it over the line. Clever's ball, perfect from Bissouma. Shansa did ever so well on the ricochet. Bissouma to turn his man. He's such a shoes, but before money got there, he didn't have to climb, but the shot comes in. Narrowly wide.